Today, we're bringing all of season 2 together in one clarity mastery ritual so you can ask for clear guidance on your life, relationships, and your mission, and actually feel clear about your next step. So let's just do a quick review. Angel Umbriel and Orca Agate, Archangel Uriel and Windswept. God, aren't these gorgeous? Windswept Blue Calcidney and Angel Gesele and Girasol or Jelly Opal. So Angel Ambriel and Orca Agate, seeing clearly, erasing layers of self-doubt and calming the mind so you can hear what's true for you. Archangel Uriel and Windswept, Blue Calcidney. Whenever I see mine, and this is one from the boutique at the moment, so whenever you see this piece may be already at its new forever home. But look at this. It is windswept. It is like it's blowing everything that is in the way, the doubt, the negativity, the fear, the whatevers, just blowing it out of the way. It illuminates, so Archangel Uriel and Blue Calcidney, Windswept Blue Calcidney, helps to illuminate next steps and the big picture clarity and the wisdom hidden under overthinking. Yes, I'm reading from my notes. Angel Gesele, life purpose, jelly opal or girasol, life purpose visioning, manifestation, aligned with your soul and choosing the path that feels both inspired and sustainable. So what is a simple ritual? Angels. And you can have this written down. Angels Ambriel, Uriel, and Gesele. And if you don't remember their names, it's okay. You don't have all of these crystals, it's okay. Use what you have. Angels, please help me to step through and beyond what I've known, beyond what I think is possible or doable. Help me step into and open my mind and my heart to what is truly for me, to raise my inner vibration, to trust the intuitive messages, to act on what I'm being given so that I can move towards what I desire, what my heart and soul long to be doing or doing more of, because we're moving towards something rather than moving away from something. You can make this as simple or as complicated as you like. In any moment, and I teach my clients this, angels, please help me. Now, what if you don't have your crystals with you? What if you are out and about at a gathering, a party, or in the business office, and it's like, oh my God, it's when you can take a deep breath, close your eyes, and not while you're driving, and perhaps not during a meeting if you're in one. That when you can, just move off someplace where you can close your eyes even for 60 seconds and connect visually, telepathically with a crystal or your crystal, your clarity crystal set. Please help me. Because the angels that you have called in for these crystals to work with you, and the energies will connect with you, because in truth, this linear timeline is not the only one. It is amazing to be able to really no matter where you are, no matter what's happening or not happening, you can tap into more of you, more of the energy, and kind of flick away. Imagine windswept blue Calcidney or Chalcedony, however you say it, sweeping things away. Imagine the Girasol, the jelly opal, help you see beyond the current moment. Because what's in front of you, what you see around you, that's what has already manifested into physical form, into energetic form. And what we want to do is to clear the way. Be content where you are, because being content does not mean this is where you have to stay. But being in the moment and seeing, imagining you are an amazing sports person, a skier, a dancer, gymnast, runner, whatever comes to mind. And seeing in your mind the finish line, if you will, because you don't have to go from 0 to 60 in like now. You go from 0 to 60 in your mind while seeing the progress, seeing the end result, and being open to something more. Okay? Courage, communication, forgiving yourself for not being farther along or more, because you're okay where you are in the moment while you are working towards. So the next chapter on the Angels and Crystals Mastery Pathway, when you're ready to go deeper, you can explore high frequency, ethically sourced crystals and handmade jewelry by me with intention in my boutique. Receive personalized guidance through intuitive readings and private mentoring, and continue refining your practice with my books and teachings so you are fully supported as you walk your next chapter, your next clearer chapter. Hope to see you again very soon through here or working together. Come visit. Have an amazing day. You are loved and treasured beyond measure, and your dreams matter. Namaste, beautiful soul.